Hey there, tow trucker here. We got a pretty packed lot. We don't really have a whole lot of room to put very many cars. This place is slam packed, man, all the way front to back. Anyway, it is what it is. Hey there, tow trucker here. I'm over here on site. Got another truck here. This truck's got garbage in the back of it, and it's got auto parts laying all over the ground. And the property decided they want me to tow this vehicle, so I'm fixing to load it up. Here we go. Next up, we got this Chevy Aveo. We gotta load him up, man. What's going on, man?
You guys can take out some things out of it?
Huh?
You guys can take out some things out of it?
Well, yeah, get whatever you need. Yeah, you're fine. Get whatever you want. I assume it's no longer running, huh? Yeah, it's done. Yeah, I seen something hanging off the bottom. Yeah. I appreciate you staying calm. Have a good one, man. A lot of people coming out on me over here, man. They're coming out in the woodwork. Just gonna roll on out. Get them to the yard. Hey there, tow trucker back, man. We're picking up one here at the shopping center. This little gray vehicle's been here parked in front of this shopping center for too long. They sent us an email authorization to come pick it up, so I'm gonna back up and get it loaded, man. We're gonna strap it down, man, and roll on back south, man. About 40 miles from the yard. So we're gonna get on the highway, man.
From the actual place, I started official payment.
Well, that's not the sticker though.
It is, but it is paid. But the sticker comes in the mail.
I understand.
I'll call the cops if I have to, sir, because I know my legal rights.
You can call the cops if you want.
But this is private property.
I know, and they're the ones towing it. It ain't me pulling in here and towing cars. They got 29 cars on this property. They want to get this.
Right, but that's the towing company is doing that.
No, that's the property management here. The property here, not us.
But my car is legal. That's the thing. I have the proof that I paid my registration. I have the email right here from the government.
I understand.
I'm just waiting on the sticker. That's it.
Well, I'm not trying to be mean. This is just my job, man. I deal with this stuff every day, and I'm not trying to be mean or make your life harder.
I understand, but you have to realize that it is legal.
Yeah.
Sir, please. I mean,
Well,
this has never happened to me in my life.
I understand. Listen, let me see your paperwork. Now, does it show that? I mean,
it shows my VIN, it shows my license plate number, and it shows the confirmation code that it's actually paid. Because my check engine light was on, and so I had to get that fixed before I go to the emissions place. And you have to drive 50 miles for the engine to reset. So
that's the thing. I mean, that's the thing. This here just shows that you paid the registration fee. It still don't give you a tag. Well, listen, you can. I mean, you can pay the drop fee, and I'm not trying to be mean. You can pay. It's $100 for the drop fee, and that's not me. That's company.
I can pay that.
You can pay that right now if you want to pay it. Okay, let's back up.
Will.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm about to cry. No, don't worry about it. You're okay. Listen, it's just what I do. I'm not trying to be mean. There's a whole crap load. They got that truck right there. They've been trying to get rid of it. That truck right there for months. Anyway, she's very pleasant to deal with. It's kind of nice when you deal with people that are pleasant. Like I said, this don't usually happen. These people ain't very nice. But she was very, very polite and understanding. Anyway, off to the next one.